What's up guys, it's Tommy here, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Logitech C920 webcam. I purchased this webcam because I feel like this will help me improve my videos, especially my screen recording videos. I bought this for $50. It does shoot in 1080p. It also has autofocus. I've heard many great things about this webcam. They do also have the C922, which is about $30 more. However, I did not think the small additional features are worth the extra $30. And I'm sure this webcam will be perfect for a lot of you guys as well. I will have a link in the description below if you are interested in checking this out. Having said that, let's get right into the unboxing. On the top we have 3 pieces of tape. I'll be using this small knife to cut through the tape. So on the back, it looks like we do have a tab here that we need to pull out, which we'll do right now. Go ahead and lift up the top. Alright, so it looks like we do have a little bit of an instruction manual, which it is. Setup guide. Go ahead and set that to the side and just pull out the webcam itself. So here we are. I really do like how the webcam looks. I think it looks really stylish and nice. We do have the Logitech brand on the right side of the webcam, and then on the left side it says HD 1080p. Alright, so if we go to the back of the cardboard, we'll go ahead and remove this. Here's the USB cable that you'll plug into your computer. This is how long it is. There is quite a bit of cord here, so you probably are not going to have to worry about it being too short. Attached to the webcam, we have a mount so that you can mount your webcam onto tripods. We're going to go ahead and remove this plastic. Here we are. We have some more plastic right over here, which we'll remove now. There's that. That looks really nice. You can tell there's some grip right over here, so this will not fall off your computer if you do decide to mount it that way. Once again, it looks pretty badass. I like how small it is also. It won't really get in the way or anything like that. For some comparison, you can see it fits easily on my hand. I could easily take it anywhere and carry it anywhere I want. I will be doing a full review on this webcam. This is definitely one of the best cheap webcams you can buy. This thing produces amazing quality, at least that's what I've heard. But like I said, I will be doing a full review on it, and once I do make that video, I will put the link in the description below. So if you are watching this in the future, it's probably already there. Go ahead and check that out. Another thing I really did like was how simple the packaging was. All it came with was the webcam itself and then just a couple instruction manuals. Very simple. But that sums up the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Again, if you're interested in checking it out, I will have a link in the description. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified once I do make a full review on this webcam. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.